What's up, YouTube? Back with another restoration again. These are the Countdown Pack 13s. Pretty fucking used. But pretty much basic clean up the pods. Introduced these in my last video, my Air Jordan 12 restoration. Creased very badly. Pods are severely yellowed, dingy, so how'd that feel? I gotta put in some work, but I think I can bring these back, man. I think I can, so I'm gonna get started on these, y'all. Please follow me on Instagram, ILLWILLDABARBER513. Facebook, same thing, ILLWILLDABARBER513. Twitter, ILLWILLDABARBER. Alright, y'all. Peace.